It's been a short 5 months, guys, and you know, Function Factory Performance has really developed from an online store now to a labor shop that is called Function Factory Racing. And when I say a short 5 months, we've only been doing this for 5 months. And now we are in Staplegate Farms, England at Thorney Motorsports, becoming and learning the cars behind me. Those are McLarens. We are going to become a Thorney Motorsports independent McLaren specialist shop, and we're going to be one of the first in the United States. So that's going to make us one of the first in the nation, and we'll be happily serving the Scottsdale area. What's behind me here? This is the project Alex will be tackling for the next week.
Yeah, well, welcome Alex, and welcome to the guys. We've got some guys from Germany, and we've got you guys obviously over in Scottsdale. You're here for a week. We're a very intensive week of training where we're going to teach you as much as we can about working on all McLaren road cars, from 12C oil tests, oil changes, to 650 engine changes, to gearbox swaps, all kinds of bits. So it's a fairly intensive week, so I hope you're up for it.
This is our brand new Leonardo diagnostic tool for McLaren. Wireless to the car, it has a dongle that plugs in, a rechargeable battery on the onboard unit. Basically we're going over this 570S right here, doing a demo on the product. Basically this allows us to do all the services we need to perform on more or less any McLaren model. Yeah, we're excited to take possession of this, bring it home with us.
So what an epic conclusion to these 5 days that we spent here in England at Thorney Motorsports to become a McLaren independent specialist. So Alex behind the camera has gotten to experience all of the Super Series cars and the sports cars that McLaren offers. And more importantly, in that building, we just received our Leonardo scan tool that can and will scan nearly every single modern McLaren, including the MP4 and the Senna. That is the #1 thing that is needed to service these cars. And obviously, to go along with it, the expert training that Thorney Motorsports can and did provide us. So guys, when those invites go out, I hope to see your faces. I hope to see McLaren owners, because we're going to show that we are a Thorney Motorsports McLaren independent specialist by Function Factory, and we'll be servicing the entire Southwest owners of McLaren.